Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is immediate. Charge the earphones to at least 50% and open the case. On your phone, turn Bluetooth on and temporarily disable other audio devices to avoid interference. Press and hold the earphone's multifunction button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Once the LED blinks, your phone will discover the device. Make sure to keep the earphones within 1 m for a stable initial connection. Once discovered, select the earphone's name in your phone's Bluetooth list and tap Connect or Pair. You will often see a connecting animation. If prompted, accept media and call permissions so audio and microphone work. Some models request notifications. Grant if you want voice prompts. After paired, open the companion app or system audio settings to set equalizer, update firmware, and select single-ear or stereo operation. Make sure to verify left/right channels and microphone routing so calls behave as expected. You finish by testing audio and the microphone, play music, then make a call to confirm clarity. If firmware updated, reboot the earphones and repair to apply changes. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the earphones by holding both buttons for 10 seconds to clear pairings, then reconnect. This often fixes stubborn links. Also check battery level, switch Bluetooth codec in settings if supported, and keep devices within 10 meters. Interference and distance are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.